guys, it's Sheri from Southern Roots. I have been challenged by Journey Along with Shannon to do, I guess it's a Thanksgiving question challenge of some sort. Anyway, so I'm going to give it my best shot. So here we go. The first question was, what is my favorite Thanksgiving side dish? I have two, mashed potatoes and mac and cheese. The second question is my favorite Thanksgiving dessert. That would probably be a pumpkin roll. My ideal outfit for Thanksgiving Day. You're probably going to find me in a jean skirt, some type of t-shirt, and some socks or barefooted. My least favorite Thanksgiving side, one I absolutely will not touch, is cranberry sauce. What do I love most about Thanksgiving? I love getting together with family and just sharing the day with them. What do I enjoy doing after the meal? Well, we usually sit around and talk, play games, look at the sale papers. What is my favorite Thanksgiving memory? Again, it would be getting together with my family and spending time with them. What am I thankful for? Wow, where do you even start? Number one, for my Savior. Number two, for my family, my husband and my children, my grandbabies. Number three, for life. Number four, for all my family and friends. YouTube, friends, and family. Just so many things. I could go on and on. Now, I'm supposed to nominate some people to do this. So, here we go. I want Boots and Bounty Homestead to do it. Tina Ladybug. And Lisa over at Yogi Hollow Farms. Now, just a reminder, we will not be having a live this Monday night. We're going to take this next week off as far as lives are concerned. But there is another channel that does go live at 8 Central, E3 Farmstead, so make sure you check them out. I'll drop a link below. They go on at 8 Central Standard Time. Yesterday I did something really fun. I went and met in person for the very first time Shannon from Journey Along with Shannon and Tina from Tina Ladybug. And we sat down and had lunch and probably talked for like over 3 hours. So we had a blast. It was awesome and we're looking forward to doing it again. But Shannon brought me around to it and a Jaws sticker to go with the t-shirt that she gave me a while back. And there goes a fly in here. Tina brought me a waffle iron and an awesome smelling candle. So thanks, girls, for all those gifts. I really appreciate it. It was very sweet of you. The chili challenge. It ends November the 19th, I believe, at midnight. And we'll announce the winner on our very special Thanksgiving Live on the 22nd at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. You don't want to miss that. We'll be going live with several people for a night of Thanksgiving. And anyway, yeah. So go over, let me know you're going to join the chili challenge on that video I posted about it a few videos ago. So go make your video, start to finish. I want to see how you do your chili. Make sure you hashtag it Southern Roots Chili Challenge. I'll drop it in the playlist. And first prize is $50 gift card, your choice of a t-shirt. Second prize is your choice of a t-shirt. And we're almost at 500 subscribers. We're at 496. We hit 500 and we went back down to 492. But when we hit that 500 mark and consistently stay there, I'm going to give away an Instant Pot. So, anyway, that's all I've got to say today. And yeah, if I've shouted you out, I am looking for your video. And y'all check out E3 Farmsteads live Monday night at 8 Central. And all these people's channels will be dropped down in the description. Y'all have a great evening.